What's up guys, it's Amir here and how's it going? So now there's been quite a trend recently about the fidget spinners, and I saw people in my school playing with fidget spinners. They look quite cool and interesting, so I thought why not buy it and see what happens. Now hopefully this is the packet that I was hoping for. So if it is, then that's great. Okay, let's just put it up. So I got this from the company Wellers. That part's come off. Just leave it aside. And I got this one as well. So we can put this away. I got two colors, one red and one blue, which so far they look good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with two. I might give one to my sister and one for me, and if not, then I don't know, I might do a giveaway. I don't know about that, but yeah, I've got two. So let's just go ahead and open up the blue one first. So it's a simple opening, just like a simple box, and we've got the fidget spinner itself right there. It looks quite cool. Yeah, it's okay. Whoops.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
But to be honest with you, I don't really get what the whole fuss about fidget spinners are, because all you're literally doing is just spinning it, balancing on one finger. I guess it's for people that fidget a lot, so that's why they probably got these out. But to be honest, in my opinion, it's not really all that, to be honest. I mean, like, it is really fast. It's fast, yeah. But yeah, that was my opinion of the blue one. I mean, it's a nice color, it's a nice feeling, but I'm not really a fan of the fidget spinners, because as I said, all you're literally doing is just spinning and nothing else. But let's put this back and let's see what this one is like. The red one looks better, because for the red one, the black, you can see it while it's moving. If we just get the blue one again, you can't really see the black. You can see more of the silver color, shiny light. But for this one, you can see more of the black. Whoa.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Yeah, these do get out of hands quick. Quite cool. But as I said, it's not really all of that. I'm not. It looks cool when other people are doing it, but when you're doing it yourself, in my opinion, it's not really all of that. But anyway, I bought it. It looks good. It's fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing of the Whirlies fidget spinners. Hashtag not sponsored. #1 fidget gadget. I mean, the packaging is really nice. Can't lie about that. What would have been better if the blue would have been actually blue rather than black, if that makes sense. But it's nice. I mean, I like it. You can learn how to do tricks like this. But yeah, here's a montage of what it's like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.
Beep, beep.
So that's what I'm guessing. But I guess it's for people that fidget a lot. Whoops, breaking this already.